Solve the inequality and represent your solution on a single number line. So the first thing you're going to do is to split this combined inequality into two separate inequalities, and this is how you're going to do it. So from the left hand side, you're going to draw to pick up to where the other inequality signs begins. That is where it begins. We're going to pick that. That is one. We're going to pick the other one. You're going to pick, if you start from this end, from the right hand side, up to where the other inequality sign begins. This is where it begins, the end of that. So this is what you're going to pick. So those are the two inequalities that you're going to pick. So we solve them separately. We start with this. So x minus 5 is less than or equal to 3x minus 8. We start by that. So in solving this, we take this one to this side, and this one you can take it to the other side. So that we have, this one will be x minus 2x less than or equal to negative 8. Take this one, it will be plus 5. So this one will give us, this one is 3. So it will be 3x. So we have x minus 3x, get negative 2x, less than or equal to negative 3. So we want to get the value of x, so divide both sides by negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. Note NB, dividing both sides by a negative number changes the inequality sign to the opposite. So what we mean is that when we divide, when we divide both sides by negative 2, this inequality sign will change to the opposite. So if it was less than or equal to, it will be the opposite. The opposite of less than or equal to is greater than or equal to. Therefore, we shall have, in this case, x is greater than or equal to 3 over 2, which is 1.5. So that is the solution on that part. Now we go to the second inequality that we picked, which will begin from 3x. 3x, it begins from 3x, begins from 3x minus 8 is less than 2x minus 3. So again, we bring this one to this side, and this one you can take it to the other side, so that we have 3x minus 2x is less than negative 3 plus 8. So this one gives you x is less than 5. So this is our second solution. Now what is remaining is now illustrating on a number line. So we draw a number line. So that is our number line. So we're going to label. So we have 0. This is a 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need x is greater than 1.5. So 1.5 will be somewhere here. 1.5 will be somewhere here. So is greater than, or x is greater than or equal to 1.5. Greater than or equal to means that we're going to enclose this circle by shading, because 1.5 is inclusive. It is included. Then greater than, we require all the numbers to the right. All the numbers to the right are greater than. Then we have x is less than 5. X is less than 5. We close that. We are not going to shade to enclose this circle since 5 is not included. All the numbers that are less than 5, those are the numbers to the left.